Hey friends, a lot of users may want to lock their Google Chrome browser for many reasons, and one of the reasons is that you wouldn't want anyone to check your history. I don't want anyone to check my history, and you wouldn't want anyone to check your history. Other than that, you may have private conversations with people, or you may be viewing websites that you do not want others to know about. In this case, all you need to do is to go to the link I have shared in the description section, which is of an extension named lockpw, and add this extension to Chrome. Click on add extension. I will share the link in the description section, don't worry. And after doing that, click on next and enter the password here. So I will enter any password, and then I will repeat that password, and then I'll enter the password link numbers, and then I'll click on save, and the password protection has been turned on. Now it can automatically lock itself, but this option is not selected by default. After that, you can put a password on logging, which is basically the history, and after that you can put a password on the entry of the window in full screen. Like, you cannot open it in full screen, though this is not needed. You can put a password on hotkeys, that is not needed. It's up to you. If you want it, then you can use it. On minimizing Chrome, I don't need this one. And on the security mode, this mode protects lock pwd process against terminating all kinds of. Okay, so I cannot be terminating it. So basically, in my case, I just want to protect my history, so I mentioned it here. And the number of login attempts is limited to 3. I can change it to 4. That is it. Once this has been created, now no one can check your history without entering the password. It will immediately prompt for the password. Isn't this easy and interesting? If this video gave you value, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.